Hey YouTube, this is Kevin from TechLogic, bringing you a quick unboxing of a prototype U18 from Sundown Audio. I've already opened up the box when it got here today, but I wanted to make sure you guys saw what it comes and looks like. This is from the yard sale. This is a prototype U18 that Derick had signed for me from Sundown Unofficial. I'll leave a link in the comments how to get to him. Check out his page. But as you guys can see here, this box is huge. Subwoofer weighs probably about 50-60 pounds. And being a yard sale sub, I figured they wouldn't do a whole lot to make sure that its weight was supported with wood. But they did use spacer foam as well as the expanding foam to fill it up. Look at that beast. This thing is just absolutely enormous. Just for reference, I have a very large hand. Very large hand. That's where Derick signed it for me. Send it. I like it. Alright guys, I'll pull this out of the box and show you the whole thing here. This thing takes up almost an entire seat of my couch. It's huge. This is a dual 4-ohm Sundown Audio U18 prototype. It did not come with the magnet boot. It's a 6-spoke frame design. I'm not sure what makes it a prototype other than the 6-spoke. Let's see if I can get this over one-handed here. Thing is absolutely beautiful. This is going to go in the back of the hatchback. I'm going to build a tapped horn. Try to run it around 2,000 to 3,000 watts RMS. And see if I can hit 155 decibels. Competition series. And I'm going to run it on under $500. I paid $250 for this at the Sundown Audio yard sale. It's in really good condition considering. The sub runs, I think, about $750 new. Well, there you have it, guys. Sundown Audio U18 unboxing. Nothing much, just a quick little look at it and give you an idea what's to come with the Astro build. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the video.